Hello everyone, welcome back to Ananya's Nourish Me. I'm Ananya and today we'll be delving deep into the world of clean eating. Whether you're a seasoned clean eater or you're starting off, today in this video you'll get a lot of information and tips, and I'm sure you don't want to miss the recipe, the delicious recipe of clean eating. So let's get started. So clean eating is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle which focuses on whole, unprocessed foods. Hence, apart from fueling up your body, you also improve your nutrient-dense components in your diet and also improve your skin, digestion, appearance, just a few positives to name. So you must be thinking, what does a clean eating entail? Well, it's pretty simple, really. Fill your plate with a lot of colorful vegetables and fruits. Number 2, add in lean proteins. Number 3, add a helping of whole grains or pulses. And number 4, ensure to incorporate a healthy fat. Thumb rule: avoid highly processed foods and keep an eye on excess sugar and excess preservatives in any kind of food you're eating. Transitioning to a clean eating schedule is very smooth with a few simple tips to keep in mind. Number 1, plan your meals ahead of time, preferably on the weekends for the next whole week. Number 2, create a grocery list and stick to it. Number 3, stick to the perimeter of the grocery store where the fresh foods and the whole grains are located. Also, do not forget, staying hydrated is the key, so drink plenty of water. Now let's put in all these principles for today's delicious clean eating recipe. Let's begin.